when we say true ourselves, because why? We start thinking from our body. What is this body? This is called as a physical body, gross body. But generally in English, the gross word is not that, good word. So I prefer to say it as a physical body. So in Sanskrit, it is called as Sthul Sharir. So this is my physical body, made of space, air, fire, earth, and this 5 elements. Then there is a subtle body, Sukshma Sharir. It has 19 elements. You can go through the coach study guide. But the most important elements of this particular subtle body are mind, memory, intellect, and ego. So the subtle body is where our mind is, intellect is, where we store our memories, and where we get our identity. This is called as subtle body. And then there is a causal body, which is called as Karan Sharir. And this Karan Sharir is a body of no knowledge, the body of no, say, material element. And that is the body, it is called as Anandamaya Kosh. The causal body in this particular image is called as Anandamaya Kosh, what we are going to see in the next slide. And this Anandamaya Kosh, this causal body, is the nearest to your Atma, nearest to your Atman, right? So who we are? We have a physical body, we have a subtle body, mind, memory, intellect, and ego. And beyond that, we have a causal body, and that causal body is Anandmaya Kosh, and that causal body is our say connection point with the Atman. So this is what the Vedanta says, and this is what the truth is as well. So these are the Pancha Koshas. Means when I say who we are, means I mean to say who we human beings are. So the first is our body. The first layer is called as the body, the physical body. The second layer is energy, the prana, right? Prana Kosha, energy kosh. The third level is mind. The fourth level is intellect, right? Why? Because the intellect, so the mind is the recipient of information, and mind transmits the information. The senses give information to the mind. Mind processes the information, gives to the intellect. Intellect decides, discerns, and then again that decision is given to the mind, and mind transmits the information. So this is the discernment or intellectual sheet. And then comes the bliss sheet, which is a Karan Sharir, which is our causal body, which is the nearest to our Atma, which is pure consciousness. So just for the simplicity, here in the figure, the Atman or the pure consciousness is shown as at center, but it is ever pervading, right? But just for the say simplistic understanding, so there are 5 sheets over the Atman, right? So if you have to go to your true nature, that is what the yoga philosophy is. What yoga says, you have to uncover each sheet. How to uncover the sheet of the body? To make body healthy, to go for asanas, to go for diet. How to uncover the sheet of energy? Prana, pranayam. How to uncover the sheath of mind? Meditation, concentration. How to uncover the sheath of intellect? Jnana Yoga. Understand your true nature, make an intellectual inquiry of who am I. And how to uncover the sheath of bliss? Because the happiness is not into the material world. The happiness is from within. The happiness is of the happiness of the spirit. Once you uncover these particular step by step, but there is an interlinkage, there is a sequence. Means, for example, if your body is not well, you may not be in a position to uncover everything. Why? Because you are not competent to uncover everything, because your mind will get digressed to the issues of the body. If you have the energy issue, your mind cannot be focused. If your mind is not focused, there is no question of the you applying your intelligence. And if you are not clear about your true nature, you will go after the wrong happiness. You will go after the mrugajal. You will go after the temporary happiness. So there is a sequence. From the body sheet, you have to uncover body sheet, energy sheet, mind sheet, intellect sheet, bliss sheet, to reach to your Atman, is what Pancha Kosha is all about.